Chapter 1. Food. Difficult words. 1. Protein. 2. Minerals. 3. Carbohydrate. 4. Roughage. 5. Cereal. 6. Preservatives. 7. Refrigeration. 8. Canning. 9. Fiber. 10. Protective. Looking back, I complete the sentences. 1. Sugar and starch are carbohydrates. 2. Bananas are rich in carbohydrates. 3. Meat is rich in proteins. II. Give an example for each type of following. 1. A food item rich in fats. Cheese sandwich. 2. A food item rich in vitamins. Spinach paneer. 3. A food item rich in iron. Meat beans. 4. A food item from the cereal group. Rice noodles. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. Which of these foods rich in protein? A. Carrot. B. Banana. C. Fish. D. Spinach. Answer is C. Fish. 2. Vitamins are protective foods. 3. 2/3 of your body weight is water. 4. Which of the following does not have to be cooked before eating? A. Carrot. B. Rajma. C. Potato. D. Rice. Answer is A. Carrot. 5. Which of the following methods should be followed while cooking food? A. Wash fruits after cutting. B. Overcook vegetables. C. Wash vegetables before cutting them. D. Use extra water and throw away the water afterwards. Answer is C. Wash vegetables before cutting them. B. What am I? Find the answers in the word grid. 1. I help you to grow and repair damaged parts of your body. Protein. 2. I keep you warm. Fat. 3. My name starts with a V and I help you to find diseases. Vitamins. 4. I am a mineral. I keep your bones and teeth strong. Calcium. 5. You cannot digest me, but you need me to send out waste. Roughage. 6. I am a preserved food. Pickle. C. Match the words in the two columns. Column A, column B. 1. Proteins. Bodybuilding. 2. Butter. Fat. 3. Iron. Blood. 4. Germs. Spoil food. 5. Canning. Preserving food. D. Answer the following questions. 1. Why do you need food? Answer. We need food to grow, to fight disease, to get energy, to stay healthy. 2. Why must children eat food rich in protein? Answer. Children must eat food rich in protein as protein-rich food helps children to grow and repair damaged parts of body. 3. Water does not contain any nutrients, but it is important for us. Why? Answer. Water does not contain any nutrients, but it is important for us as it helps to digest, absorb nutrients, remove waste. 4. What is a balanced diet? Answer. A diet that contains all the nutrients in the right quantities is called a balanced diet. 5. Name the 4 groups into which food items are divided. How does this help us? Answer. The 4 food groups are cereal group, milk group, protein group, vegetables and fruits group. These food groups help us to select food items to prepare a balanced diet. 6. Why does food that is not fresh get spoiled? Answer. The food that is not fresh gets spoiled because germs start to grow in it. If these germs enters our body, we can get sick. 7. Name 3 substances that can be added to food to preserve it. Answer. The 3 substances that can be added to food to preserve it are salt, sugar, oil. Higher order thinking skills. 1. Neelu was playing cricket with her friends. During a break in the game, she ate a banana. How do you think this helped her? Answer. Bananas are rich in carbohydrates, so it is an energy-giving food. On eating like banana, Neelu will get a lot of energy. 2. Oli boiled milk in the morning and left it outside in the kitchen. When he wanted to use it in the evening, it had gone bad. What do you think he should have done? Answer. Oli should have kept the milk in the refrigerator. 3. Can you buy vegetables and fruits for a month and store them in the refrigerator? Why or why not? Answer. No, as germs will grow on the vegetables, making them spoiled.